Did you know the average pool owner spends over 100 hours a year cleaning their pool manually? What if you could take all that time back with a robot? Today we're diving into the top 6 best robotic pool vacuums that'll do the dirty work for you. From smart sensors to solar-powered surface skimming, we've got it all. And yet, all the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Let's see which robotic cleaner earns the crown and which one just doesn't quite make a splash. On number 6, BeatBot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Vacuum. If you want a robotic pool cleaner that's basically a tech genius, the BeatBot AquaSense Pro has your name written all over it. This premium cordless beast offers 5-in-1 cleaning capability, tackling the floor, walls, waterline, surface, and even incorporating a built-in water clarification system. Thanks to its 9 motors, 20 smart sensors, and onboard AI, it systematically maps and learns your pool's unique shape and adapts its cleaning path for full coverage. It boasts an extended battery life, easily running for over 90 minutes in a standard cycle, and even up to 6.5 hours in its maximum pro mode. The ability to scrub the waterline where most bacteria hide is a huge advantage over basic wall climbing robots. However, it is an expensive newcomer, and at around £24, significantly heavier when full of water, retrieval can be a bit of a workout compared to the basic corded Dolphin Nautilus CC+. This one offers far more versatile, cordless and intelligent features for the tech-loving pool owner. On number 5, Apia Scuba E1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Now, if you're looking for something simple and budget-friendly, the AIPS Scuba E1 keeps things chill and affordable. It's perfect for flat-floored, above-ground pools up to 1,100 CFT in size, where it uses a triple motor system and a bottom roller brush to scrub and powerfully vacuum the pool floor. It's super easy to use, with simple one-click activation, and its lightweight design and quick water drainage make it effortless to pull out of the water. Furthermore, its dual filtration system is a bonus, capable of capturing particles as small as 3 micrometers, like fine algae. However, it is a floor-only cleaner, skipping walls and inclines, and it lacks smart navigation or app control, relying on a basic cleaning pattern. Compared to more robust wall climbing models like the Dolphin Escape, it's limited in scope. But if your pool is small, flat-beamithed, and you're not looking to splurge on advanced features, this reliable floor cleaner is a solid entry-level choice. On number 4, BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot. Let's talk pure luxury and innovation. The BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra is truly the most advanced pool robot on this list. It features an ultra-sophisticated hybrid sense AI mapping system utilizing an AI camera combined with 27 total sensors, including ultrasonic and infrared, allowing it to intelligently map and adapt to every complex pool shape, step, and multi-level platform. It maintains 5-in-1 comprehensive cleaning and even incorporates a clear water natural clarify system made from recycled materials, which helps bind fine particles for crystal clear water. Its battery delivers outstanding endurance with up to 6 hours of floor cleaning or a stunning 10 hours of surface skimming. It also features smart surface parking for effortless retrieval. However, it is the heaviest, £29 dry, and most expensive model here, and you'll need to periodically replace the clarifier agents. For the user who wants complete pool care automation, the Ultra's camera-guided cleaning and comprehensive feature set simply outclean most competitors. On number 3, Polaris VRX IQ Plus Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. Want deep, reliable cleaning paired with cutting-edge smart control? The Polaris VRX IQ Plus delivers exactly that. This powerful corded robot features a smart cycle learning algorithm that assesses your pool's size and shape to calculate the most efficient cleaning time, saving energy. It uses 4WD agility to navigate all surfaces, handling floors, walls, and waterline with dynamic bladed brushes. The core of its appeal is the iAquaLink app control, which gives you full remote access to monitor cleaning status, view the water temperature, schedule recurring cleaning cycles, and even initiate the easy lift removal system to retrieve the cleaner at the waterline with a touch of a button. While its 70-foot cord requires manual management, lacking the cordless freedom of the BeatBots, the Polaris offers superior power consistency and detailed in-app control. Versus cordless models, the VRX IQ Plus sacrifices mobility for raw, reliable cleaning power and one of the best smart control systems on the market. Number 2, Apia Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner. The AIPS Scuba S1 hits that sweet spot between budget, cordless convenience, and reliable cleaning coverage. It features WavePath 2 navigation, which is a methodical pattern-based system, an upgrade from basic random movement that ensures better pool coverage. Its dual motor system and large climbing treads allow for effective wall climbing and waterline cleaning, expanding its utility far beyond the Scuba E1. It handles pools up to 1,600 SQ per foot and offers a solid runtime of up to 150 minutes, providing multiple cleaning modes: floor, wall, auto, eco. While some user reviews note it can occasionally miss small patches of debris and require a second pass for absolute spotless results, the combination of cordless freedom, wall climbing capability, and a large, easily accessible filter basket makes it extremely user-friendly. For its price point, the Scuba S1 is a strong, highly versatile contender that offers a clear step up in navigation and cleaning scope from pure and so, which robot would you trust to clean your pool? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more smart home and gadget reviews, and don't forget, all the links are in the description if you're ready to grab your next pool cleaning partner. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.